We've partnered with UK Electric to install EcoTec here at one of our substations in Cheshire. EcoTec is the first non-SF6 ring main unit designed to meet UK medium voltage network applications and will transform network infrastructure to be more sustainable and more cost efficient.
This project is a landmark moment for UK Electric, showcasing our ability to deliver cutting-edge, sustainable solutions that address the evolving needs of the energy sector to create smarter, more resilient networks.
Great for SP Energy Networks to partner with Lucy on this project.
The EcoTec is a natural successor to the current Lucy Sabre. Its three-function design, outdoor rating and intuitive method of operation lends itself well to our network. Really sort of pleased to see this and to be like a UK first really.
You know, today's been a real highlight in the process of developing and launching a piece of switchgear.
Immensely proud, and immensely proud of the team that we've grown that have been able to do that and bring it to fruition.
Great to be here with the team who were involved in actually developing the product.
To have such good partnership with our customers and be able to actually come and see the first installation of Sabre EcoTec in the UK has been a real crowning glory of my career within UK Electric so far.
It's a huge milestone getting the first of the EcoTec solutions live and hopefully one of many more to come in the future.
We're really proud to be here today sharing with our partners. I'm particularly proud of our engineers, all the people associated with this project. It's been a number of years in the making. It's a great achievement and we're truly humble and honoured to be here today. Thank you so much.